Melodic trap, conscious rap, emotional dark, all night reverb. 808 halftime drums, the way you own. They see her in 4K, they don't see me at all. On the caption she deleted the ghost behind the wall. This is for every hidden man, every pixel pain. Let's go.
I'm a public ghost, yeah, I'm a pixel pain. She posts a thirst, but hides my name. Loves me in the dark, leaves me in the frame. I'm just convenient love, not a flame. Pixel ghost, yeah, I'm a pixel pain. Her DMs got more life than my whole campaign. I was hidden worth, now I'm finding my way. From a public ghost to a man who won't stay. She said let's keep it low, they don't need to know. I felt special in the shadow, thought that meant I glowed. But her feed was a billboard, her body was the ad, and I was just the back end, stable, safe, sad. She posts at midnight, I'll be holding her at 10. By morning she's a stranger with a caption and a grin. Comments full of fire emojis, orbiters in her orbit. I'm invisible in public, but in private I'm the one she forfeit. I celebrated privacy like it meant I was chosen. Didn't see the algorithm where my heart was getting frozen. Like leverage, yeah, I learned that equation. My love was a deposit, her attention was inflation. She texted, you're my rock, but her story said I'm free. Mixed signals in the matrix and the glitch was me. I wasn't insecure, I was just confused. Thought hiding meant protecting, not being you. She said you're different from the rest. Different cause I'm quiet, different cause I stress less. But stress less turned to careless, turned to numb. I was background in her life, I was beating on a drum that nobody could hear. Not even her, especially her. She was busy curing blur. Then the mirror talked back, you let yourself be small. Hidden worth don't mean worthless, it means you built a wall around your own potential, your own damn throne. She wasn't the villain, but I was not her home. I was convenience, comfort, a place to lay her head, while she chased the validation that her heart was never fed. So I ghosted the ghost, yeah, I deleted the app from her life, from her story, from her pixel trap. Social media didn't make her hollow, it just gave her a stage for what was already shallow. And me, I performed too. He's different, he gets it. No, I was just afraid to ask for more, but ghosts can wake up. No more public ghosts, no more pixel pain. I post my own worth, I write my own name. Love won't be convenient, won't be hidden, won't be tamed. From a pixel ghost to a man with the flame. Pixel ghost, yeah, I was pixel pain. Now my story's in HD and I own the frame. Hidden worth became found, yeah, I found my way. From a public ghost to a man here to stay. If the love is private but the lust is public, ask yourself, who wrote the script? Then write your own.